An AI robot lawyer was set to defend someone in court in a few weeks. Wait, how did we even get here? We're going to talk about what led up to this and what's going on with the court case right now. So, if you have not heard of donotpay.com, they are said to be the world's first robot lawyer, and they're helping you to fight against corporations, beat bureaucracy, and sue anyone with the press of a button. Pretty spicy. So, people online have said that they have used this service to lower some of their rates, been able to send notices using the service, and they were upping the ante to actually help someone in the court of law in real time. Now, leading up to this, there are tons of different reports out there, such as ChatGPT passes the law school exam. So people were wondering, like, is this even possible? Well, a teacher at a university, a professor at Minnesota University Law School, actually gave ChatGPT a test, and it's 95 multiple choice questions and 12 essay questions, and it passed with a C plus. So people are seeing, wow, like this is kind of scary, and it's learning and all of these things. So is this court case for real? So the CEO of, or the founder of Do Not Pay, was gearing up for their court case coming up. And then just a few days ago, the CEO put out this statement. He says, "Good morning, bad news. After receiving threats from the state bar prosecutors, it seems likely that they would put me in jail for 6 months if I follow through with bringing a robot lawyer into a physical courtroom. Do Not Pay is postponing our court case and sticking to consumer rights." So, they were all set to go. They got a little bit of heat on them, and they're not doing it anymore, but they are still committed to doing it sometime in the future. So that's just the beginning. If we're going to see this keep popping up in all different types of industries, and this is just the beginning. In fact, we already see ChatGPT already taking other tests and passing it. Other, basically in other industries. So stay tuned. So if you're interested in using Do Not Pay or learning more, there's going to be a link down below. But what do you think about this story? Do you want to hear more about how people are using AI and what's going on in this crazy world of AI and new technology? Let me know. All right, everyone. That's it for today. All right. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Goodbye.